Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your switch firmware and serial are compatible with Homebrew. This prevents soft bricks later. Once done, back up your NAND and user data to the micro SD. This is insurance. Next, boot into RCM and load Hecate or Atmosphere payload to enable customizations. You need a jig or method that safely enters RCM. Make sure the micro SD is formatted correctly and contains the required payload files so the system recognizes Homebrew when it boots. You now install a theme engine like a theme manager or custom injector because the stock switch lacks theme support. Once the manager is on your micro SD, place each theme's files into the exact theming directory. Incorrect paths mean failure. Then launch the manager from the Homebrew menu. Follow its prompts to install, patch, or sign theme files. Make sure you choose the correct title ID and preview options, because applying the wrong package can overwrite icons or system graph. You finish by rebooting into full system to confirm the theme looks right across the home menu and folders. If graphics glitch or the system misbehaves, remove the theme via the theme manager or restore your NAND backup from micro SD. This reverts changes. Also, make sure Homebrew tools are up to date and avoid Nintendo Online updates when modded, because they may remove custom support. Lastly, if you get errors, recheck file names, signatures, and folder paths before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.